Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of the News Bulletin. In the headlines today, judicious use of natural resources can help reduce volume of generated waste, says Mr. Deepak Chatraj, CEO RSP, in National Seminar on Waste to Wealth. And long service awards presented at Repair Shop Electrical Department. Now the news in detail. Judicious use of natural resources can help reduce the volume of generated waste. Let's strive further to reduce energy consumption, which will help in achieving a corresponding drop in the usage of natural resources and thereby reserving them for the future generation, said Mr. Deepak Chatra, CEO, while inaugurating a national seminar on waste to wealth, effective utilization of solid waste of steel plants on 27 February 2021. The CEO was a chief guest in the seminar organized at Indo-German Club by Institution of Engineers, India, Rourkela Local Centre in association with SAIL, Rourkela Steel Plant. Mr. Pankaj Kumar, ED Projects with the additional charge of ED Works, RSP, and Professor Dr. Animesh Biswas, Director NIT, were a guest of honor, while Mr. SMR Prasad, former Vice President Jindal Steelworks JSW, was the keynote speaker. Many senior officers of RSP and SAIL officers of Pollution Control Board, delegates from different SAIL units and associated industries, and members of Institution of Engineers India, Rourkela Local Centre were present in the inaugural session. Deliberating further on the topic, the CEO said that technology-savvy steel and process industries have to focus on gainful utilization of solid, liquid and gaseous waste. We must activate the desired treatment facilities to facilitate reuse and recycle of effluent to achieve zero discharge consistently. Mr. Chatraj also expressed concern over the increasing generation of e-waste and emphasized upon reutilizing the components and elements by suitably recycling them for a greener earth. In his keynote address, Mr. Prasad elaborated on various forms of waste being generated from the steel plants. While highlighting the potential commercial utilization of the waste, he also deliberated on value addition to the waste, thereby increasing returns and its effect in reducing cost of production. He made a detailed presentation pertaining to transforming waste into wealth by gainfully utilizing them. Dr. Animesh Biswas in his address emphasized upon exploring every possible scientific method to find the suitable application of the waste, which has emerged as a major challenge. Speaking on the occasion, Mr. Pankaj Kumar stressed on finding cost-effective engineering solutions to gainfully utilize dust, slag, sludge and other waste of the steel industry. During the occasion, the CEO felicitated Dr. Biswas, Mr. Prasad and Dr. S.K. Biswal, former Chief Scientist CSIR, for their contributions in the field of environment studies. Earlier, Mr. C.R. Mahapatra, CGM, MM and Marketing and Chairman, Institution of Engineers India, Rourkela Chapter, welcomed the gathering. Mr. Atish Chandra Sarkar, CGM, Utility and Environment, proposed a formal vote of thanks. Ms. Ankita Bilang, Deputy Manager, CP2, anchored the program. In a program organized at the Repair Shop Electrical Department of SAIL, RSP, on 22nd February, Mr. P.K. Das, GM in charge, Repair Shop Electrical, presented the service certificates to 11 employees for rendering 25 years of service to the company. The program was coordinated by Mr. Sanjeev Kumar Behra, Deputy Manager, Personnel. It may be mentioned that around 900 employees, including executives who have completed 25 years of service as on 31st December 2020, will be receiving long service awards like previous years. The company recognizes their contribution by presenting a certificate of recognition and a stainless steel dinner set as token gift of appreciation. Corona reminder. At the end, we would like to remind our viewers about the rising number of corona cases in the country. We must continue to safeguard ourselves against the deadly disease by adhering to the COVID-19 guidelines like frequent washing or sanitization of hands, maintaining social distance and wearing masks when going out. That's all for the news today. Namaskar.